News aba news aba. There is news and there is gist. Indeed there is news. In fact, there is gist well. Anyway, just sit back, relax as we dive right into this hot news. Hello gist partners. News aba news aba. There is news and there is gist. As I said before, make you relax well. In fact, you for sit down, relax, hold a cold drink so that we dive right into this hot gist. But before we dive in, please, if you are not following my other channel, Sandy's Joyful Space, I am begging you, go and check it out because fun things there well. Like you will laugh, you will have fun, you will enjoy yourself. Thank you very much. So guys, this news, we'll just jump right in. Please make sure you watch to the end so that you don't miss any part of this juicy news. So let's just dive right in as e dey hot. Expenditure on education increased by 95% in my time, says President Akufo-Addo. I don't know how that sound though, but for me, I like the sound of it. I don't know about you, but I'm liking the sound of it. Let me take it one more time. Expenditure on education increased by 95% in my time, says President Akufo-Addo. Let's just jump right into the details. President Akufo-Addo says government's commitment to education has been so great that public expenditure on education has almost doubled from 20.7 billion Ghana cedis between 2013 and 2016 to 40.4 billion Ghana cedis between 2017 and 2020. This percentage, which represents a 95% increase, is said took place between the Mahama era and the Akufo-Addo era. The president said this on Tuesday, 4th January 2022, when he delivered a speech at the 6th Quadrennial National Delegate Conference of the Ghana National Association of Teachers at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in Kumasi. Addressing the gathering at the event, President Akufo-Addo noted that NAT is what it is today because of the work of his past and current membership and leadership, and he assured that under his administration, the work undertaken by the membership and leadership of the association will not be in vain. The president thus used the opportunity to thank all teachers in the country for the work they did and continue to do in ensuring that the education of Ghanaian children throughout the COVID-19 pandemic has not been truncated. Continuous assessment, the Basic Education Certificate Examination (BECE) and the West Africa Senior Secondary Certificate Examination (WASSCE) have all been written by thousands and thousands of students under your care and guidance, in conditions of safety and orderliness and without incident. The nation is extremely appreciative of this act of selflessness and patriotism, he said. According to President Akufo-Addo, his vision of a modern, competitive Ghanaian economy spearheaded by indigenous entrepreneurs with productive employment for the great majority of its citizens requires skilled economic actors, and to get there, the nation needs an educated workforce. Through the implementation of the free senior high school policy, we are ensuring that value is being added to the intellect of every Ghanaian child. This is our surest way of succeeding in adding value to the Ghanaian economy, thereby helping to create acceptable, well-paying jobs for the young people of our country, he said. The president continued, for us in Ghana also to make a success of our nation, we must pay attention to teachers. It is only a group of well-trained and motivated teachers that can help deliver the educated and skilled workforce we require to transform our economy and nation. Outlining the many initiatives implemented by government since 2017, he stated that his government has restored since coming into office 5 years ago and continues to pay teacher training allowances which were abolished by the previous administration. In addition to the yearly average increase in salaries over the last 5 years, my government is for the first time in our country's history paying a professional allowance to teachers. We have abolished the 3 months pay policy for teachers. We have cleared the arrears, and promotions due teachers have also been effected, he said. He stressed that to prevent undue delays in promotion of qualified teachers, Government will in 2022 improve on the conduct of the aptitude test instituted by the Ghana Education Service, leveraging on lessons learned from the one conducted in 2021. Government is also committed to development of affordable housing for teachers all across the nation. The current initiative will involve the provision of housing for both mortgage and rental. I am fully aware that one challenge facing teacher ownership of homes beyond finance is their inability to purchase homes where they intend to retire, he said. Through a subsidized loan program, President Akufo-Addo indicated that teachers will be provided an opportunity to own houses in desired locations in various parts of the country, stating that the Ministry of Education is working with the National Service Scheme on this. In addition, the Ministry of Works and Housing is in discussion with teacher unions to provide more housing opportunities for teachers. Within the next 2 years, it is proposed that 10,000 housing units on affordable terms will be developed for teachers across the country. This, we all know, is the tip of the iceberg, but it is a good beginning, he added. Touching on the vexed issues of laptops for teachers, President Akufo-Addo was glad the supply of laptops was appreciated by teachers and promised that the other related matters of concern will be addressed. Good relations between NAT and my government are matters of importance to me, and I will do my best to promote such relations, he added. So Ghana, for that's the news. As you heard it, that's how I also heard it too. I say, let me bring it for my gist partner. So President Akufo-Addo is saying that since he came into power, the expenditure on education has increased 95%, meaning he has invested a lot on education. Since he came into power, he has not left any stone unturned when it comes to education, and he plans to do more. He wants to even invest more on education because he believes that when you invest on education, it will help the country in the long run. When you invest in education, what else are you saying? You are investing in the country, you are investing in the future leaders of the country. In fact, we are just trying to better your country in the next years. And President Akufo-Addo has really done well. He has really invested in education, free SHS, free food, free this, like everything is free. Just to make sure that every Ghanaian child gets education. And I'm so happy that we have a leader like President Akufo-Addo who cares about the education of the children, who cares about the future of the country, the future leaders of the country. I don't even know what to say anymore, guys. You all know what he has been doing when it comes to education. I don't need to say it all. I don't need to even begin to count them all. You guys know it already. And I'm also glad that he's not leaving the teachers behind. He's also trying to, invest in the teachers, make sure that they are working in a good environment. Just try to make things better for them, because when the teachers are comfortable, when they are better, when they are happy, that is when they can teach well, they can deliver well, and that will also be seen on the students. So that is just it. As I heard the news, I say, let me bring it sharply to you guys so you know I cannot hear this news and just keep quiet. I have to bring it sharply. So if you have watched to this point, I say thank you. And if you're on this channel, you have not yet subscribed, you have not yet hit that subscribe button, help me hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Let it do background so that anytime there is news like this, anytime there is this like this, nobody will tell you. You will hear with your ears, you will see with your eyes that news are bad. There is news and there is gist. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love, your support. God bless you all, and see you all in my next video. Bye.